Bonjour, aloha, kia ora, mabuhay. Hello tasters, hello world. If you're new to my channel, my name is Franz Gabriel. Welcome to my channel, welcome to Luscious Taste, Homemade by Franz. Hi everyone, it's Franz here and currently we are in the house. Well, we're always in the house when we're filming, but right now it's kind of different because we are quarantining ourselves because of the current calamity we are in. There is a worldwide pandemic called the COVID-19 or coronavirus. It gets kind of boring, and when I'm bored, I like to bake. So today I will share you a pretty easy recipe. It takes a while to bake, but it's so worth it. It is delicious. Okay, without further ado, let me give you some information about what we're going to make today. Today we will be making Japanese cheesecake. Japanese cheesecake, also known as cotton cheesecake or light cheesecake, is a type of sponge cake originated from Hakata, Japan in 1947. It is less sweeter and has fewer calories compared to the regular cheesecake because it contains less cream cheese and less sugar. Like a chiffon cake, Japanese cheesecake gets its fluffy texture by whipping the egg whites and the egg yolk separately. I am so excited to make this. This is so good. Okay, let's make it. I'm excited. I want to eat it. The first step to making our Japanese cheesecake is to, of course, wash your hands. And that's not just when baking or cooking. These days, you need to keep clean and sanitized, so that's just a friendly reminder. But the actual first step is to put in cream cheese, oops, and my hair, milk together in a bowl, and cream it until it's smooth and creamy. Okay, I'm gonna put that on the stand mixer. Put it on a low speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's smooth and creamy. I'll show you once it's done. I'm raising the speed little by little just to help it combine a bit easier. Now let's add in our butter and 1/5 cup of sugar. That's soft. This type of butter brand softens much faster than other brands. I don't know why. Maybe it's what they use. Eat. Now I'm gonna be adding 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay. And then mix it up once again until it's fully combined. I have to reach very far because it's on the other side. Adding the cornstarch and the flour. Powdery. And combine it once again. That's a lot of combining. Like way too much combining. I'm gonna scrape the sides down real quick. Scoop up from the bottom. Just so that it gets properly mixed. It looks a bit chunky, right? Okay. I'm now going to add the egg yolks in. The egg whites are separated from the egg yolks so that we get this fluffy cheesecake. I'm not wasting any of that egg yolk. Egg yolk is the best part of the egg. Is the final step to making this part of the batter. That looks super silky and smooth. I'm gonna scrape it a bit to make sure that it's all well combined. Oh. Okay. Kind of tastes like leche flan. Now that that is done, we are going to take the bowl. Okay, that was a bit difficult. I am going to strain this batter to prevent any lumps so that we get a nice fluffy cheesecake. We don't want a lumpy cheesecake, we want a fluffy cheesecake. Okay. That looks very silky. It reminds, if you taste this, do not try it though. I just tried a tiny bit because some was on my hand. It tastes like a Filipino dessert called leche flan. And tastes really good. Okay. Enough talking. Let's get to straining this. You can just let it sit there if you want, but I'm gonna help in the process. It's very lumpy. It's very lumpy. It's okay. See how much excess stuff there is? Yeah. That's what happens. So that's why you need to mix it up. If you need to remix the batter in a stand mixer or with your hand mixer or even with a whisk, it's totally fine. And this definitely is really chunky. But I'm just gonna mix it up once again with my spatula. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna wash this for the next step. The next step is to whip up our egg whites. Whenever something is like fluffy or marketed as fluffy, it's mainly because like they whip up the egg whites separately from the egg yolks. Or just put a lot of baking powder and baking soda, but that wouldn't taste good. So I'm pretty sure they would do this. Oh, or use yeast. Yeast is also a good leavener, but that's for bread. Get all that sugar. You don't want it to be bland. And mix until it's stiff peaks. That's so far from my arm. While I was making the batter, my oven was preheating at 250 for 20 minutes. And there's like a square pan in there with water. Not hot water, just water. So that it doesn't burn. We want to make sure that this cake turns out perfect. Our egg whites are done whipping up, and I add at least a third of our egg whites to the batter, to the other batter. Batter. You want to mix it very gently. You don't want to like deflate those egg whites, or else you won't get that fluffy jiggliness that you want. Okay. Gentle. Very gentle. I've already mixed up all of it, not exactly perfectly, but it's okay. Let's add in the rest of our egg whites. That came in with a flop, okay. Mix it up. Oh. I'm mixing / folding it. I think folding is a better term. That's very fluffy. It's okay if you get like whole egg whites in there. It'll just work itself out. Don't stress over this. The world is already stressing over the coronavirus and you're stressing over this. Just chillax for a moment. Like, stop reading the news. Many people said people will die from many things, years and years on end. On end. Just turn off the TV, stop watching the news, wash your hands, and chill out. Like, no need to panic too much. Yeah, keep your sanity and sanitize. That's a good quote. Keep your sanity and sanitize. Stop watching TV. Well, you can watch TV, just don't watch the news all the time. It's good to be informed, but not like too informed that it makes you panic buy everything at the store. Okay. Now that we're done mixing it up, we can finally put it into a pan and put it in the oven. Okay, now I'm gonna put the batter into the pan. It's a round 9-inch pan. A little bit less than 9 inches, but close to 9 inches. This is gonna poof up a little bit once it bakes. So yeah. Okay, now let's put it in the oven. Okay, so our cake is done baking, and it's not as jiggly as I was hoping it to be, but it still looks super delicious, and I'm excited to cut into it. Okay. Really, it decides to start raining right now. Okay. Careful. Gentle. Very gentle. Gentle. Oh, really? Okay. It's okay. There's still parchment paper underneath this, so... Okay, there. Whew. Ha! That's... Okay, this slice is jiggly. Look at that. Okay, let's try it. One time. Let me center this slice first. This would actually be good with berries or something. I can hear the rain so much. That's fluffy goodness. It's like eating a cloud. Oh my god. See how fluffy that is? Look at all those air bubbles. Oh my god. That's definitely not a dense cake. It kind of in a way melts in your mouth. So good. Definitely worth it. It's good. It's like a cloud. Airy, fluffy, light, delicious. And it reminds me of cotton candy. This is perfect. Okay everyone, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked our recipe for today. Now that the coronavirus is going around, make sure to stay safe, stay sanitized, and keep your sanity. Right now, while we're all quarantined and staying in our house for safety, now's the time to do a hobby that you love. Like for me, I'm doing baking or painting or learning a language. That's also what I'm doing. And anything that you enjoy to keep you from the boredom, of course, and of course to educate you. And I'm also doing a video for you guys. Today is definitely not a boring day. It was fun. I made a cake. It's delicious. Everything went well today. Please follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page at homemadebyfranz. I hope you like this video. Please click the subscribe button and the tiny bell icon to receive notifications of any new videos that I post. Also, please hit that like button and comment any suggestions of what you think I should make next down below, and I will try to make it happen. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. See you next time. Don't forget, be positive, share love. Thank you for watching Luscious Taste, Homemade by Franz. Goodbye, au revoir, annyeong, ciao, paalam!